Being involved in a boating accident can be both traumatic and overwhelming, often leaving you with serious injuries, expensive medical bills, and a long recovery process. At Hammack Law Firm, we understand how life-changing these accidents can be, especially when they happen because of another party's negligence. Whether you're facing injuries from a collision, an operator's mistake, or unsafe water conditions, our team is here to help you get the justice and compensation you deserve. We're committed to guiding you through the legal process so you can focus on your recovery. Boating accidents can result in life-threatening injuries, property damage, and emotional trauma. If you've been injured in an accident, you might be entitled to compensation for your medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Our legal team is here to ensure your rights are protected throughout the process. Boating accidents can happen in the blink of an eye, but their effects can last a lifetime. In South Carolina, boating laws require operators to follow safety regulations. But accidents still happen when boaters fail to adhere to these rules. Whether it's collisions with other boats, failure to follow safety protocols, or even accidents involving alcohol or distracted driving, the consequences can be severe. Injuries can range from broken bones to spinal cord injuries, head trauma, or even death. That's why it's important to have legal representation that knows how to handle boating accidents and help you recover. Many boating accidents are preventable, and when they happen, the responsible parties must be held accountable. If you've been hurt due to someone else's negligence or misconduct, you may be entitled to compensation. At Hammack Law Firm, we focus on helping those who have been injured in boating accidents. We will carefully investigate the details of the accident, whether it was caused by an inexperienced operator, faulty equipment, or an unsafe water condition. Our attorneys will gather all the necessary evidence, speak with witnesses, and work with experts to build a strong case. We'll make sure you are not left with the financial burden of an accident that wasn't your fault. We understand the intricacies of boating accident cases and will fight for the compensation you deserve. From hospital bills to lost income and emotional suffering, we will ensure every aspect of your case is handled with care. If you've been involved in a boating accident, the first thing you should do is seek medical attention. Some injuries might not be immediately apparent, and it's important to get checked by a doctor. Afterward, try to document the scene by taking photos of the damage, the boat, and any visible injuries. If there are witnesses, make sure to get their contact information. Then, reach out to an experienced personal injury lawyer who understands the specific laws surrounding boating accidents. We know that no two accidents are the same, which is why we tailor our approach to each individual case. Our legal team will work closely with you to understand the circumstances of the accident and ensure that your case is handled in the best possible way. We'll be by your side every step of the way, from filing your claim to negotiating with insurance companies and, if necessary, taking the case to court. You don't have to face this challenge alone. At Hammack Law Firm, we're committed to fighting for the rights of injured boating accident victims across South Carolina. If you've been hurt in a boating accident, fill out the form below and let us help you take the first step toward justice and recovery.